Hello everyone, welcome to my Arduino tutorial. Today's tutorial name is button control LED sequence blinking using by Arduino. Today tutorial required element is now. Firstly, I am sorting the LED connection to ground. Sort done. Here all LED ground is sort. Now I connect with LED ground to microcontroller ground. Already done. We use 220 ohm resistance with 11 and 12 number pin. Now I am doing this, but no need 220 ohm resistor with 30 number pin, because we know the internally connected 220 ohm resistance with 30 number pin. So that's why no require any extra 220 ohm resistance with 30 number pin. So its connect is very easy. I connect 30 number pin with the red light, red LED. Now connect the 220 ohm resistance with the other two LED, because we know here all digital output, all digital pin output is 5 volt. That's why we use these two resistor for this LED safety purpose. Now I am connecting with 12 and 11 number pins with other two LED. Connection is done now. Now I am loading this code. Let's first open the Arduino software, and this is your code. We declare our Arduino LED pin, then button pin, sensor pin, sensor value, button pin. Then we take a variable with SB means sensor value, and this is the setup, void setup, which is input and which is output. That's why we use this step. Then button only input, other three LED is output. Then we use the Serial.begin because we need the value from a serial monitor. That's why we use this line. Then while loop SB equals digitalRead, because we know the sensor value here digital because 0 and 1. Sometimes LED is on and sometimes LED is off. That's why we use the SB means sensor value is digitalRead. DigitalRead comes from button. Button pin is 2 number pin, so I connect a jumper wire with 2 number pin. Now if I connect this jumper with ground, the LED blinking depend on this comment, on this condition, and the other way the LED follow this comment or condition. So we are checking manually. We need to upload this code, so I am uploading this code here. Almost upload is done. Now LED is blinking. It is every if we open the serial monitor. Here sometimes it's 0, sometimes 1, sometimes 0, sometimes 1. So LED is blinking, blinking follow this every value. Now connect the 5 volt and ground here. Here 5 volt and ground. So if connect with ground pin, so we see here all value is 0 and LED is blinking step by step. first this, then second this, and then third this. If I change the sensor value, if I connect with 2 number pin with 5 volt, so LED blinking sequence is changed. Now I am using button because this tutorial name is button control LED sequence blinking using by Arduino. So that's why I am using button. At first I paste this button here, and this is the another button. Here I have 3 legs. We use only 2, any 2, but must be backward this pin. Otherwise this 2, if you want anyone, I use this 2 pin. Now this is 5 volt and this is ground. Now I am connecting ground with 1 button pin and another is 1 button pin. Now this is 2 number pin and this is the SV pin, means sensor value pin. This sensor value comes from 5 volt or ground, anyone. That's why I connect the 2 button pin the same wire, 1 and another jumper used for sort this 2 number pin. Okay, our connection is done. Now if I press this button, the LED sequence is this, all LED blink together. While I press the another push button, so LED sequence is all changed. So this is our project so far today. See you again in the next video tutorial. So welcome back to watch this next video. Thank you very much. Tata.